Hello boys and girls, it is September 8th, about a week from Hurricane Irene flood. Here we are at the root of the problem, Pompton Dam. As you can see, it's just gushing water again, just flooding out my neighborhood again a week later. So clearly, I see we've learned absolutely nothing here, and yeah, they're just gonna continue doing this same shit because no one gives a fuck about people downstream from this disaster of a dam. You know, maybe they figure, hey, they already flooded already. What else is there to ruin? What's the difference, right? I'll tell you what the difference is. My flood insurance adjuster was supposed to come to the house today to assess the damage from the flood a week ago. Except he's not going to be able to make it there now because my house is inaccessible. And I still have no power, also, for the record. And on top of that, all the shit that people are throwing out from their house that was flooded, it's going to go ahead and wash into the river now and just clog up the river even worse than it already was. So that's the difference. But a stupid computer that operates these gates, or the fucking morons that put them in, also known as the Army Corps of Engineers, you know, they wouldn't think of that because that would require common sense. Okay. Great.